Hello, my people. How una dey? Wonder shall never end. Only 3K don bring the widow come out. Hey, wage widow tutu kalaba. You be na low. Na him make Isioluk Odafewidon when he go see we be say we fine, we fresh. E no be like say we don reach 50 years. Isioluk go dey cry. Isioluk, so this one na you dey Ugayala na how you take dey climb this one? Oh tutu egbedin ijo dede. Oye be bonamu gboma. Hey, this one, how you take dey climb this one? Egbalaka na you dey use, abi waiting. Abi somebody come dey help you take dey climb am. If I no analyze this video, waiting again. I dey come for roads, make I fair come. This video I must analyze am. So this one now you get for inside Isioluk. Where be like wetin dem no dey use again. Now this one you say dey 45 years. Emanire 45 years why give me ojave gbe. This ije no who wey be say na why you be via Rwanda. Abi aru isen na 5 people na go dey push this one to enter house. So me as I dey here, so me they say me fat. Make una see yo. Hey. Make una see yo tutu calabash. Where Isioluk Odafewidon put for his house. Mona see widow. No you gbodo mona see. Oje ba ru egbe. It be like me 10. Me say na I be fat person. Mona come see. Even though say you even get belle. Why some of una just get belle? Why ja hama? Some of una just be like a let there. E be na low. Eh? Even though say you get belle, see as you just be like Igiowa, yeah, na Igiowa tutu. Isioluk, you never see Chonchin. You see this woman, so here is a gbuwe, you go cry. You go to think say na saga. Now me they follow you do saga. Oh mamu where you pass your boundary. When you pass your boundary, I go warlord you. That's why I be. So now tutu calabar, now you put for his house where you not let person hear words. When you see people, you can say, oh no degbe. Oh, no degbe. Oh, no degbe. So now you just get the one way just degbe. No one vungio wa. The one way be say if you dey push on, you know the greed commodity. Aga vwe, aga mwen, aga temu, aru igbe. Now they carry this one. 10 people. Now go carry Isioluk wife. Iyo salo buago dua no meto ha. Now so na be. If you na see people wey just like their husband, they treat them well, then they okay. Igbonve wala wa egbe. Jealousy go just enter na body, una go dey cry up and down. See, mona see this woman, na mona see am. O ma ve tabe yo ikebero, kebe wa gbo ba. O wa vuira vuri. Hiyo salobua, ba no meto. Mona see. Na this one Isioluk Odafewidon. O le 3K no ma mieja una o se magban we run leave 2 pikin. Na this one only Isioluk come sit down with. Mona see woman. As e be Isioluk say na 45 years. Na this woman dey. This woman wey be say if you look am like people more than not verse, I need to cover his face because ye. Now makeup is still for there. Oh. Now makeup now widow still put oh if you na see ye. Huh? Make industry where ye big. Oh come nu wa our money jo monu wa we go out. If I no analyze this video, we me make I fair come. I dey enjoy myself. If I don't enjoy finish after my birthday, I dey come analyze the video. Even analyze the wetin I dey. Isioluk no fear. He pass the boundary. You can't expect anytime where we do come out. Ija otutu calabash. Otutu don't come out for inside hole. This otutu Isioluk, so you get this kind of woman for inside house. Now you can't dey talk to better women wey dey for outside. Make you dey ashamed now. Sometimes still sit down say no. And then now what is so hame? Huh? See nyash. Ojebe na wa ari magbodo. You know say when you just carry padedian, you go put am for odo, you go make baka. Oye ogbo ba. Na so Isioluk why be. And even though say maybe get belle for year, no know. But hey, salobua, let them you know say some people if they get belle, they'll be like a let them. Aru igbe orwanya. Na so they push agarwai, agatemu, agarwai. Oh hey, oh ye big. A bed in over here. The kind bed where this person they sleep. You see that bed where we say we get for Nigeria, that big one, no ye take bed. Now that one, now they go feel the like down put. Otherwise, which bed you go feel like down put? Agarwa no na. Go zuzuzu. Now he make Isioluk they say uwe no wia. Now this one mona consi. Bono na haya akpu salobu avava beba ni ya go as we just dey for summer so. yaga wa ya to ze. You know say some women na so dem just be like this Isioluk Odafewidon. This widow na so e go just be. Yaga wa ya to ze. Ona wa be forget am. Woman wey dey neat na when you born na you go say no. No na wa ye na ge let dem na no ye na ge na you low na yaga wa as men. Na make Isioluk that you know they finish for a month. We no where igbeyagia. You know say this or your wife you don't do igbeyagia all over the Europe country. So now all the bekus e dey fian time e dey go e dey smell for everywhere. So Isioluk you no fear you can't carry widow come out. O no gbado we na be ladian. O no gbado na be ladian. First husband ikpayan. Two pikin two papa. He by the first husband. This is your local wife. So this is your local whether na wife, whether na husband. No, as I go call na my people. I go come analyze this video. I go come sit down. When they tell me say, is your local big widow come and I say, which widow? He widow way there for his house. We get ladian because now inside darkness if they shout for they go they talk when. Or he want more ladian. I say, I bet bring gun come make I see him. When I see him, I come bobonya. I want say, wait till widow come find for outside. Widow, we, bigo. The big bekus. If you not see breast, or you na giving your tear. If you just put pikin mat, it go cover every, it go just cover our body. When, see your look, no mamieja, no sema, but what they vewa. Now you come to talk to people where be say, if you they bring, according to you, now you say your wife na 45. Everybody knows say your wife na 60 years old. 60 years. Where be say go reach to born your mama because of say Isioluk don dey do big bekus na make am come dey claim big age. This one go there for 45. No ye be nyati e na why yanire 45 years why ni dan me gbe o God forbid but if you na see the face oh tutu na makeup is still put o before e come o makeup of emujo makeup uni salo bua yo ba no me to make e come out with real face o come e paka wa momo. Ekpaka na no weti be kpaka. He go just cash pikin when he go just see am. Wa dey here ko wa va o wa. We don't know mama no ju ngbodo. We no vada we no go no wa gba di o Euro country. Amule kamu ludo mama no mu Isioluk idomu. Na le Isioluk na go fit carry widow. The only man wey carry widow. The only man wey be say mama dey for orphanage. The only man wey be say run leave 2 children for Spain. He come sit down with widow. Widow wey be say he kpekus don full every corner. Na him make am go dey cry, he go dey shout, he go every ologomana wa la ogogo bi rabo egbe. He go come use your kpakpa come put for our body. Mona see wife. This one na wifey wey be say they don carry go all over the every corner. This is wifey, not be wife. Now you see your look will come out, you come dey talk to better people. Isioluk for when me stand if they put your wife they all say this one are your grandmama even seeing Isioluk with the woman God abeg I say I will come analyze am seeing Isioluk you they ask whether na this woman I born Isioluk 2 times whether na be the grandmama salo bua wa miss call wa dey here kwa na make am egbe kinya they go dey shout so shout if he come out because person want to climb this one Isioluk will be like 2 battery. You want to climb ye lekute. Oh, not back bovia leke. Or ye lekute. This one I ye le tu twe. Ye le ku twe na she be. Oh, salobwa wa miss call. Now this one I go still carry come and you can't use and take the pose. Why you pose it? But you not see you for the back of the video as he be. It be like small pikin. Be like say na widow na even na pikin na dey for the back for them. If you not when I dey watch the video, it can be. It can be. As a widow back Isioluk they not even they see yourself. You not go see her because ye to kele we bani or ye chinkele ye kebani. Now you go come out or have vun or ye big or ye nyeke or ye biwo. Oh salo bua kon do akbama. You will come out to do agui magua. So your wife there 45 years. Ja 45 years. Wow, now you there 50. If they claim me brother age mate, if they claim me brother, Isioluk they claim me senior brother. Now senior brother na dey for 50. Isioluk is just 30 something years. Now widow wey be say marry. As widow can't be say he don't old now. I can't put her now. Widow na 60 years old. 60 years old. Wow, ya karakuwa. Iyo salobua. Ve na ve hwe mi na je no hwa. O de nije. Bona mu gboma. Now this one na widow. Na Isioluk dey climb. Isioluk come show us say gbalaka wey you take dey climb am because why you want to start because you na too battery you know if you get it why case one wa o wa ba gbon ba bola wa evagbe wa sun wa gbe ye ku wa worry ya dan waka o na me and you for this social media who mind what je ba ni I dey hear information now say next year now you want do your birthday a birthday in years go where you obo na me talk am ogun na my own on the 11th to just ready major the saga me I no send you ekeni meri any worry una baba me I fair come back.